Welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to label in AutoCAD. So let's say you have this column and you want to label this. There is a simple command named mleader. Just press enter and specify the leader arrowhead location. So I want to specify that this is a column. Okay, then I'll just press over here and stretch the line as per your need, and then you have to write column. Done. As you can see, right now the scale is too small. We'll just select this and write properties. Under the leaders, you can choose any arrowhead that you want, like this closed blank, closed dot, oblique, anything that you want. Most probably, I every time use is this dot one. That looks more professional, and the size maybe 10 is too big. 3 is okay. So you can also change this by layer. You can also change the text sizes, height, let's say same 3, and you can see this is visible enough. You can also increase it a little bit by maybe 5 will be better. 5 is better. You can change anything that you want in this also. Just press earlier regenerated, and this is how you mark anything or label anything in AutoCAD. And you can, this is very easy, you can just copy paste it wherever you want. Let's say you want to write wall over here, but you want to then just stretch it, make this same, and double click on it, control A, delete, and write wall. That's how easy the labeling thing is in AutoCAD. So that was it for the video. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and you found it useful, then check out my channel. Thank you.